and today we're going to be singing a carol for Christmas because to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, who came 2,000 odd years ago to die for you and me because of our sins. So yeah, it's such a great pleasure for us to be singing on Christmas because we need to sing carols to be merry. So Silent Night it's going to be. Ready? Sigh. Again. Two. Sigh.